Hey guys, Dad's from Sanitizer.co.uk, and today we're going to be making hand sanitizer, 70% hand sanitizer. Don't even want to show you it'll be similar to this, but due to the fact that we put aloe vera in it, in the recipe to make it, then it'll turn out something more like this, which is my own kind of recipe. So what do you need to make hand sanitizer gel that's strong enough to get rid of most viruses, if not all? Well, they say all, but that's up for debate. And I have the perfect recipe, guys, just for you, and here we go. So let me get started. All you need is a jug. Get yourself a jug, and more or less 3 key ingredients. Aloe vera gel. Get this stuff in most shops on bargain, B&M, and I think I got that one for about £1 from B&M. And you can add glycerine as well to thicken it up. Get that from good old Maury's. And then that's your main ingredients, and obviously the alcohol, which is selling out like crazy. Most people use ethanol, and what's that other key ingredient? That other key ingredient is water, or as they say in the label, AQUA. In the UK you can use surgical spirit, guys, which you can get from most chemists and pharmacies around the place. If you want to make it a bit organic and take the alcohol out, you can add a bit of witch hazel in it. And then to make it smell beautiful, so you've got the base, you got, being aloe vera, you got, and a bit of glycerine, and then you've got aloe vera to make it, to make sure that your hands don't dry out and stuff. And then you've got citrus oils to make it smell nice, or tea tree oil that got lots of antiseptic properties in it as well, lavender oil, and eucalyptus. Eucalyptus smells beautiful. I gotta have a whiff of that. Ooh, nice. It takes me back to my childhood. I don't know why, for some reason. Anyway, so ethanol, or if you can't get ethanol, you can get isopropyl alcohol, which is, it has to be, and as recommended by the WHO, the World Health Organization, it has to be over 60%. My ethanol is up to 80%, and it kills, they say, 99.9% of viruses and germs and stuff like that. So if you can have it as runny as this if you like, but I prefer to have it in between runny and in between it being a bit nice and soft and kind of gel-like on my hand. Hence hand sanitizer gel.co.uk. At the moment, guys, I'm dumped in to make a profit at all on hand sanitizer gel. I think people who try to make a profit from it should be ashamed of themselves. I purely make it and give it away. The only reason I give it away is because there's a massive shortage of it, but people need to know how to make this recipe, guys, from home, and you can buy all the key ingredients that are out there. It won't cost you more than £5. I think £1 aloe vera gel, £1 glycerine, £1 for the smells and the scents, and ethanol you can either make yourself. Lots of videos on YouTube how to make it, or you can actually get it from, believe it or not, camping shops like of Gap and the rest of them. I can't remember what they're called, but I had mine on a bargain for £2, so it is more or less cheap as chips to make, and it is very, very effective. and smells beautiful. It smells just as good. I mean, if you take this lid off of this stuff, this is 500ml. It just smells of alcohol. Who wants their hands to smell of alcohol? I know a lot of people are saying, yeah, we haven't got time to be making it and stuff. Well guys, trust me, you need to make time because people are dying right now. And you don't want to risk your life for just taking 5 minutes, 5-10 minutes tops to make it. So I'm gonna make this recipe of mine. So let me just put it down to this level of the camera, and let's see if I can show you a little bit more of how I make my beautiful recipe. Excuse me if you can't see me for a while, guys, but so all you basically need in order to make this recipe, guys, quite simple. Let me put that there, is 2-part alcohol. So let me get this alcohol out. 2-part alcohol. I really can't stand the smell of this stuff. It is terrible. Right. Some people usually wear masks and stuff, guys. You can use a 1/4 cup, you can use a 1/3, don't really matter. I usually go for a 1/3. And for every 2 parts of alcohol, before I get high, let me just whack that on. Put the lid on, move that side. Woo! And then you get your aloe vera, guys. Get your aloe vera. Using one of these measuring cups. You could do how satisfying does that look? So lovely jar, put that in, and then they say 2 to 1, but I put a little bit of aloe vera in to kind of give it that good little base. Let me scoop the rest of that out, guys, because it's and then to mask the smell, then you can put a little bit of glycerine in as well, guys, to give that extra. So a little dollop of that, of glycerine, always helps us, you know, get a good base, because who wants to have water on the hands, and the hands smell like a pub? No one. So that's that. Then get a spoon, just scoop the rest of that aloe vera out. I bet it feels like watching the Muppet Show when you can't see the hand. Give it a good stir, guys. Give it a good stir. Wow. And then all you gotta do, take the spoon out. Add your essential oils. I like to add about 20, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Maybe it's about 21, but mask the smell of alcohol. And this should be enough then to fill. What you need to keep doing, guys, is keep mixing it, and keep mixing it until it turns from water-ish with jelly, well, into jelly. So keep adding the glycerine, give a good dose of that, and you notice it to to start getting thicker. The more you mix, the thicker it gets, and that's a fact. And once that's done, guys, if you've got any excess aloe vera left, it's probably just throwing it in the bin. Maybe we'll add to it. It's not add anything to it. What I do then, guys, I have a certain amount of batches of this stuff on my website, handsanitizergel.co.uk, and then I give it away for free. All you gotta do is pay for postage and packaging. Get Home Bargains, they sell these things, little travel bottles, perfect for filling your hand sanitizer, putting your hand sanitizer inside it. So take it off, take the lid off, and now I can put this back up here. Adjust the camera somewhat, and then bish bash bosh. Leave it in the fridge then, guys. Ooh, look at that. Perfecto. Leave it in the fridge overnight, and perfect hand sanitizer all the time. That's it. Job done. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you liked this video, then please like, and if you like my channel, subscribe, and if you want any more health stuff, it's coming your way very soon. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a nice day. Stay safe, stay the NHS, and just do your part to help everybody to battle this horrible pandemic. Take care, guys. Have a great one. Ciao for now. And if you need any help or assistance or anything like that, just reach out to me on the website. Ciao for now.